Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, November 18, 2021 on our channel. RDM has released the mini intuitive 3-stepper EEV Case Controller for multi-evaporator single refrigeration cases. New technology of Thermo King AxlePower with BPW's ePower axle. Alfa Laval state-of-the-art factory in San Bonifacio is open for customers. Kelvion announces separation of the Kelvion business activities and CEO transition plan. Why understanding compressors is so important for troubleshooting. So, first news today. RDM has released the mini intuitive 3-stepper EEV Case Controller for multi-evaporator single refrigeration cases. Resource Data Management, RDM, has released the mini intuitive 3-stepper EEV Case Controller for multi-evaporator single refrigeration cases. Following the release of the 3SSR Pulse EEV variant, the newest edition can control up to 3-stepper electronic expansion valves, EEV. Its small format design reduces space required for the installation as well as cost. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. New technology of Thermo King AxlePower with BPW's ePower axle. Thermo King, in partnership with BPW, a leader in running gears and mobility services for transport businesses, revealed new AxlePower technology at the Solutrans exhibition in Lyon, France. The AxlePower technology with BPW's ePower axle is a highly innovative energy recovery system for trailer refrigeration units, which delivers immediate and long-term sustainability benefits while also helping cut day-to-day operating costs. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Alfa Laval's state-of-the-art factory in San Bonifacio is open for customers. Alfa Laval's purpose-built brazed plate heat exchanger (BHE) factory in San Bonifacio, Italy was inaugurated by Alfa Laval's group management and board of directors in September, during their annual Strategy Days conference. These new facilities, an important part of the Alfa Laval Industry 4.0 strategy, combine cutting-edge innovation with record manufacturing capacity. The new San Bonifacio factory will play an important role in helping Alfa Laval fulfill our commitment to a clean energy future. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Kelvion announces separation of the Kelvion business activities and CEO transition plan. Kelvion, a leading global manufacturer of industrial heat exchangers, announced a portfolio and leadership transition in which the company will spin off its Thermal Engineered Solutions (TES) business unit, and Andy Blandford will succeed Jürgen Winkenflügel as Chief Executive Officer of the remaining Kelvion business. The legal carve-out of the TES business unit is expected to be completed by January 11, 2022, subject to final clarifications on tax and legal matters. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Why understanding compressors is so important for troubleshooting. Join to the webinar on 24th November at 9 a.m. EST, Eastern Time, America, and 3 p.m. CET, Central European Time. You will learn about the different types of mechanical failures caused by system-related issues. We will talk about the things that affect semi-hermetic and scroll compressors in the commercial refrigeration and HVAC industry. The webinar will be held via Zoom. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.